In this video, I'm going to discuss about the trade I have taken and the logic, everything explained. Before that, I want to share with you an important thing where I have attended the Success Gyan's Millionaire Mind Intensive. In that, I have some pics and I want to share it with you. Millionaire Mind Intensive is all about how you have to manage your money, how you have to keep your energy high, and it's all about performing yourself at the peak. When you are energetic, you perform really well. When you are with baggage from the past, blah blah blah, your energy levels decreases without knowing and your productivity also decreases. In this MMI, they have cleared all the energy blocks, money blocks, something like that, and they have given some awesome strategies to manage your money. Now, let's go here and let me show you some of the pics from there. And he is the one named Thaddeus Lawrence, who is the peak performance coach, where he trained all the members for 3 consecutive days with the strategies. And this is organized by the Success Gyan. And let's see one by one. And in this way, they divided the persons like spending habits like savers, what is it, spenders, and avoiders, monks. And I was into the savers group, and I lead that group, so that I am here to discuss the groups things with the traders and the audience. Now let's go to the next one. And he's Success Gyan Suresh Shurin, where he organizes everything. And he's a really awesome guy and a kind person to help people like us, young persons, where they want to achieve in their lives. He will help them through these intensives, through these webinars, something like that. So these are the 3 persons who organizes this, and I'm going to make a video on what they share about the money, what you have to implement in your future to make yourself comfortable in your elderly years. I can make a video and I'm going to give it to my students where they have purchased my course. This is like a bonus for them. And let's see another one. This is the whole setup. This is the Chennai's Feathers Hotel, where they organize all the 3 events and they provide awesome ambience. They maintain the energy of the audiences also. And and I'm really happy to go there and learn something from them. And I will not stop this. I'm going to learn many things from these high energy communities, high earning communities. If you are someone who want to learn all those things and you can't afford to go there, afford to purchase the tickets for the seminars, you can be in my community where I can share with you everything about what I have learned. What how much I have invested is nothing, but I can give you whatever I learned in the form of recorded videos. They usually make sure that the people around you, the people around you, you talk with each other. They make sure you network with each other. When you are networking with each other, you will know new things and you will learn many things really fast. And the energy here is really awesome, and I still felt that energy in myself and I'm so glad to attend this MMI Millionaire Mind Intensive. Now let's go to the video here. This is a short video about the trade I have taken today, and I'm going to explain the logic behind taking the trade, why I have exited. I think this will help you a lot. This is like an educational video where you can remember this type of patterns and you can apply in your future trades. Now, whenever I want to take the trade, I would like to see the trend of the markets. So the trend of the markets here is Nifty and Bank Nifty is the downtrend today. So when you watch my YouTube videos, I really focus on finding the trends and um, morning range strategy, virgin CPR strategy, and the first 5 minute candle. I give more importance to these setups and I see in the live market what is happening and I understand what is happening around there and I take the trade. So what happened here is as the trend is downtrend in Nifty and Bank Nifty, see here the first 5 minute candle is a big red candle. So this is an indication for the bearish traders present here. You can see here the first 5 minute candle in Nifty also a red candle, but it is neither in any resistance, okay, nor in any support, I mean supply and demand zones. So this is a risky candle to enter. So what I do here is I waited for some more time to check what the indices are doing. In the next 5 minute candle, see there is a red candle closing below the CPR. At the same time, the next candle also closing below the first 5 minute candle. I focus on the first 5 minute candle. Now listen here. When it breaks below this first 5 minute candle, this is an indication that there is going to be some bearish move happening here. So now, right now I am option buying. So I see option buying as option scalping. I enter and exit within no time, most of the time. So what happens? This is a big candle. I have waited for some discount to go somewhere like this and I have entered here. I hope you guys understand what I am saying. So what happens when I enter, there is a red candle here till here. So I usually play the sit time. Play the sit time in the sense I don't take risk in the day trading due to the circumstances in the markets, because every day is the expiry day. There is a lot of theta decay for option buyers. So I converted option buying as option scalping with the help of CPR pivot points. So what happens when this red candle closes here? I found that the Nifty is in the support area, which is CPR. So I have exited at this candle close near the close of this candle, and the profit is 32 points. Okay, hope you guys understand this and keep revising these videos, make some notes so that you will have the tendency to remember these patterns, because human brain is something, if you don't retain the information would go away within 7 days. So I would like to suggest you to keep some notes of these videos, my YouTube videos or whatever I share in the group, so that you will connect the dots at some point of time. Then you can trade more peacefully, more profits and more joy in day trading. Thank you.